am Ananya Banerjee and welcome to my Bong kitchen. Today I have got for you a recipe which goes back in traditions. It is Chitoi Pithe. You know what January means to me? January, the onset of winter. In Bengal, we think of Nolen Gurer Patali, the aroma of new rice and the gur. It's mesmerizing. So guys, let's get started with the Chitoi Pithe today. Pan is on heat. First thing first, I'm going to roast the rice powder. You roast this till it emits a nice aroma. It is roasted now. Just keep it aside in this bowl. I'll mix in some salt because salt makes the sweet come alive. I'm using water till it forms a nice pancake-like consistency. Make sure that there's no lump in the batter. Look at the consistency, it's a perfect pancake-like batter. No lumps, smooth. Now I'm going to add grated coconut. Some of it, I'll just keep some for garnishing. This is Nolen Gurer Patali. It's date palm jaggery. It's the hardened form. Nolen Gur also you have the molasses, the liquid form. I'm using the hardened patali and I've crushed it and I'm using that inside. So it gives such a nice flavor. I can already smell the pithe. Now my batter is absolutely ready to go into the pan. This mold is used for making paniyarams, the South Indian delicacy. This will give me bite-sized pithes. So I've pre-greased them. Pour some of the batter into the pan. This pan is ready to put on the fire. Put the paniyaram pan with Chitoi Pithe and cover it up. It should cook for 3 to 5 minutes. So let me have a look how it is. Yes, this doesn't need any effort. It comes out on its own. How cool is this? Let me plate it on this earthen platter here. It's very, very hot. It's like soft melt in the mouth. Yummy. And look at those Nolen Gur specks. That's going to taste divine. I'll just keep this aside. Let it cool down for a while I prepare the sauce which will go with this. I'm doing a Nolen Gur sauce. Now Nolen Gur sauce back home, people use the date palm jaggery, the liquid one, the molasses. Now it's difficult to obtain molasses all the time. I've created a sauce which will go beautifully with the pithe, but this is not traditional. This is my tweak to this traditional recipe. So once the butter is heated up, you add your Nolen Gurer Patali. I'll add little water till the jaggery, the Nolen Gur is absolutely dissolved. I'll add some fresh cream. So people do add, flavorings in their sauces, but I feel Nolen Gur has such a beautiful aroma. There's no need to add anything like, say, in any other sauce. I would like to add saffron or cardamom or star anise. These are very flavorful stuff. But the gur here, what I'm using, the patali, is so flavorsome. I want the flavor of Nolen Gur to come through the sauce, hence I'm not adding anything. Yes, my sauce is done now. Now what I'm going to do is drizzle some of these. Oh, yum. And whoever wants little extra sauce can pour it from this. I'll sprinkle some of the Nolen Gur on top and some grated coconut on top as well as garnish. So this is for you, my friends, Chitoi Pithe, which is a very traditional Bengali pithe recipe which I've got for you. Do try this at home. I promise that it's going to be yum. If you like this video, do like, subscribe, comment and share.